Today, we are going to be learning all about the landforms of the United States. The first landform that we're going to talk about are mountains. Mountains are caused as a result of the Earth's tectonic plates smashing together. When they smash together, they push up to form the mountains that we see. The second landform that we're going to talk about are valleys. Valleys are formed by flowing water that's running in between mountain ranges and causing erosion. Our next landform is an island. An island is formed when the tops of a volcano appear above water. Sometimes it also can be caused by built-up lava that breaks the water's surface. Next, we'll talk about a desert. A desert is formed by weathering processes as large variations in temperature between day and night put strains on the rocks, which consequently break into pieces. Next, we will talk about a plain. They're most commonly formed by erosion from hills and mountains. Next, we'll talk about volcanoes. Volcanoes are formed when the magma from within the Earth's upper mantle works its way to the surface. The Earth can provide many different types of landforms. We didn't cover all the landforms today, but there are many different kinds which we'll cover in later topics. Some other types are canyons, jungles, and waterfalls. There are a ton of famous landforms within the United States and also other parts of the world. A few that we can look at are Mount St. Helens, which is a volcano, Death Valley, which is a desert, and Devil's Tower, which is also part of a desert. Other ones can be such as the Great Plains, the Rocky Mountains, the Grand Canyon, Great Salt Lake, Mississippi River, Appalachian Mountain, and Hawaii. Even though we went through the names of the different types of landforms and how they're formed, we'll go into detail a little bit more on what they exactly are. First off, let's start with the landform. A landform is a natural feature of the solid surface of the earth. It can come in many different forms as we have seen. The first one that we talked about was a mountain. A mountain is a large natural elevation of the earth's surface rising higher from the surrounding level. Next will be valley. A valley is a low area of land between hills or mountains, typically with a river or stream flowing through it. Next is a island. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water. Next, a desert is a dry area of land, especially one covered with sand that is waterless and without vegetation. Next, we have a large area of flat land with few trees, which is also known as a plain. And last but not least, a volcano. A volcano is a mountain or hill having a crater or vent through which lava and other things are being or have been erupted from the Earth's crust.